Guys, Ed with Solomon's Landscaping Design here. Got a question for you. You planning a landscape project in the near future? Say within the next 6 months? If so, this might be a good time to start thinking about that. Yes, it's in July. Yes, it's 90 and 100 degrees outside here in Upstate South Carolina. But September and October, the fall, is actually the best time to install plants because of the cooler weather and less stress on the plants. Not only that, landscapers tend to slow down somewhat, especially going into the fall and winter months. And then also, your hardscapes, patios, fire pits, things of that nature. Because we are looking for some work, our schedules become a little bit more open. Not only that, it does take some time to plan these things. I know a lot of companies around the area actually are booked out for weeks to months in advance for work. So this would be a great time to start thinking about a design and planting for the fall. If you're interested, give us a call, 864-542-4525. We'd love to help you out with the design and plant. Like I said, if we can start to get you going now, fall's right around the corner, literally 2 months away. So it'd be a perfect time, not only for the plants because of the fall time, cooler weather,